Trev. This is a quick video review and tutorial on how to use some software called viddyoze, viddyoze. The software was around £8 and it gives you lots of templates that you can customise to make nice intros, outros, calls to action for videos, etc. So the one that I've used at the start of this video is this one, and it's very straightforward and easy to use. So you click customize video. First thing I need is my logo. This is saved as a PNG file, so it actually is transparent and cut around the image. If it was a JPEG, then it would just show up as a white block and it would look terrible. So I just type my text in. And then I can go into it and I can change the colours, so I could mess around with these, so I could have those blue, and I could change the background to any colour that I wanted. Once you're happy or you want to see it, it brings up a quick live preview that shows 4 frames of the image. So you can see here, this is how the video would look. Then all you do is click create video, and then that will render the video, which takes about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and then it will download it to your PC, and then you can add it into your video editor as you would anything else. With this, I'm only allowed to use 30 renders per month, which is ample. And then for the outro of this particular video, I like this asteroid field. I can't put a logo in this, but I can change the text, audio and colours. So yeah, again, you click on customize video. It says label 1. Which I want is my YouTube channel. So I've got all my details saved, so I'll just quickly copy and paste. My details into this. So I've put my details in. can change the colours again, so I could change the background colour to make it a bit more vibrant. So let's go vivid. I could have it purple, and I could change the colour of my text to red. And then once you're happy with this, you'd have a look at it to see if you're actually happy with that particular design, and it shows you again 4 frames showing you the colours. I mean, that's a bit wild and it's not the one I've used, but you can see the idea. I only got this yesterday, this software yesterday, and as you can see it's very easy to use, it's very user friendly. And one thing that I do like about it also is you've got outro videos that are already made. So I could select one of these to end a video. This one, for example, says like us, follow us, subscribe, so you could end a video with that one. This one's a nice call to action, and it says your website, so you just change your details for your website. And then there's one which tells you to subscribe to the video, to the YouTube channel. So I'm literally just started playing around with this yesterday, and it's very easy to customize and make videos. I think it's going to make it more eye-catching, very simple to use, very easy to use, and lots of templates to play around with. So for me, I'd highly recommend it.